Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, or wherever you are living from. So from today in the front of you, you can see there is my laptop screen which is showing my today's PNL for the day. My today's PNL, I do intraday trading and sometimes I take positional also. So you can see that today's trading, all are basically 4 trades I took. One in Adani Power, then LT, Lupin and UCO Bank. And on all of them, I made profits, right? So there was 35 rupees on Adani Power, basically nothing after the brokerage amount and all the other STTM deduction. So just ignore this one, but the other three you can see I made 2,987 rupees in one. The other one I made 3,080. The other one I made 2,240 rupees. So, and this one is my positional trade. That means that I bought it today, I'll be selling it tomorrow. So you just have to ignore this because it's not intraday. I have not sold it yet, I bought it. So this will see tomorrow. But this, as of now, you can see I have made around 6,285 rupees just by day trading. And my capital was around 35,000. So I have made very good percentage on it. And you can see that. So this is what it is. I have blurred my account details because I don't want you to see my account. So this is how money is made on intraday. You will see a lot of YouTubers, especially a lot of people on the internet who will keep saying, especially Indian stock market traders online, they'll say that intraday is equal to loss, which is not true, is what I'm trying to prove here. There are so many people outside India who trade intraday all their lives and they are not lost and they don't make losses on weekly or monthly basis. It's only people, if they're not able to understand it, if they don't know how to do it, they'll just say it bad or it does not work. So please guys, believe in intraday. It is possible to make really good amount of money on day-to-day basis with no night risks. So today I have cash in my account at the end. Every day at 3:30 I'll have cash in my account. I won't have any stocks to worry overnight. That's the best kind of trade which you want to do, right? So I just want you to say that intraday you can make good amount of money, very good amount of money. And if you would like to learn my strategy or to understand more of how do I make this money and how do I do everything, what is my stop loss, how do I pick stocks, when do I enter, when do I buy, etc. Just send me an email to my channel. I will type here my email ID. Just a second. That is so my email ID is nscbscchannel@gmail.com. So just send me an email over here that you would like to know more about my trading strategy or you're interested in learning intraday only, because I mostly 98% all my trading is done is intraday. It is not positional because for me positional is very slow. And as well as I don't have that much of capital to invest. I don't have 10-20 lakhs to put in the stock market. So in my capital I make good amount of money, I'm happy with it. Then as soon as my account grows, I have more multiple accounts than I can have. So if you want to know how I made this money, please first of all subscribe and like and comment here so I know that you saw it and you want to learn about it, and then you can email me over here at nscbscchannel@gmail.com. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I know a lot of you people want to see it happening live, but sometimes what happens in the morning, I'm looking to buy at the right price, and in that if I decide to start to record and then prepare my setup on recording, then start talking on the camera, it becomes too much of work and then I lose my buying price also. So I'm still working on that. So as soon as I get a good software to record my computer screen quickly without it disturbing my trading sessions, I'll start. I think mostly by tomorrow or day after I'll be doing live. I'll be recording live, like I'll be showing I bought it at this time, this price, Then I'll show you when did I sold, when did I sell it, etc. So if you want to watch all of that, pure intraday, and please like, comment and share and subscribe, and hope you have a good trading day. Happy trading, people.